So guys, welcome back for another episode. Today we want to talk about something concerning. I don't know if this is helpful, but on my side I feel it's a point of concern, especially for the upcoming investors and young developers, inventors, and even investors. So there is this thing called emerging market technologies. How important is this, and do you think it has any value? So I want us to talk a little bit about this and mention some of the points that could maybe help us, or if you have your own idea you could also mention. So for example, we have explosive technology growth. Mostly, I think this is an idea that is being brought up by young or youths in the market. And it's really of very great value because mostly the current market are looking at technologies like AI, technologies like fintech, and this has been proven right by some countries like India, Vietnam, and it's really improving, even Brazil. So, what do you think on your side? Because on my side, I feel like this is a very important thing in the growing generation. We have things like high return on investment potential. Some people are looking at technology as their their future in the market, because they are maximizing on the usage of AIs, and even in the markets like trades trading, people are improvising and using AIs to maximize their returns. What do you think on your side, guys? Do you think this is important to have such technologies? Some people have controversial ideas about this, but what about you guys? I think for the youth this is very important. And not to forget, this is leading to factors like youth driven demands, because now most youths are really consuming services and things like phones, you see. So mostly this, I think, is improving the market demand, and it's also improving economies. So I feel like having emerging market technologies is really going to lead to a great investment or idea. Some things are policies. How are these emerging market technologies going to affect our policies? Or do you think the current policies in our countries are favorable for the emerging market technologies? Because in one way or another, market technologies have to be, because they are the ones that are going to shift our current market to this kind of direction. Given that there is scientific theories, we have evolutionary theories, the if we humans are evolving, what about the markets? The markets will also revolve and evolve, and this can only happen because of the changing technologies that are going to lead to this kind of developments. What about your on your side, guys? So think about it. I have another idea. Thinking about technology, this could also lead to diversification of advantages. For example, you get your earnings, you put in the right investment through consulting these AIs, and even putting where these advantageous technologies are, because they will give us a maximized return on investment. What about you? What is your idea about this? So guys, let's have a conversation about emerging market technologies. What do you think about this, and how is it important or relevant in the current markets?